Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for FET price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the daily chart here, we are in front of three scenarios. Two are bearish and one is bullish. So let's start with the bullish scenario where you have in W, X and Y, or I would say ABC as running flat, finished a wave C short in the middle of the structure with 5 waves short, of course, and finishing a running flat. After a running flat, you would like to see, of course, a move toward the upside impulsively as we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. Wave 1, 2 as an ABC expanding flat expected to hit the perfect fib levels for a wave 2. So A, B, and a C, that would be a nice wave 2. Moving toward the upside. Now, if we take also the time required for a wave 2, we can see that we have already passed the required time for a wave 2, even the double time, so preferably that we hit it and move toward the upside. Otherwise, it's gonna start to be, of course, a little bit lower scenario for a bullish. Now, the other two second scenarios is one of them W, X, and Y. Your wave Y or your wave W is zigzag, your wave X is another zigzag, your wave Y is also a third zigzag. So triple zigzag WXY, complex structure hitting at 1-to-1 fib level, of course, for this zigzag at 0.46 cent. Now, this is your middle bearish scenario. Your ultimate bearish scenario is an expanding flat, A, B, and a C. Your wave C can hit the 1.618, of course, at 0.74. And this scenario has higher possibility. I know it might not sound good for you guys, but it has higher possibility because we are looking at a leading diagonal in that case. The leading diagonal appears only in impulses. It cannot be in zigzags. That means it lowers the scenario of your zigzag, which is a wave Y, meaning it lowers the WXY scenario, and it gives a higher possibility for an impulse, meaning an A, B, and a C expanding flat. Now the problem is that your wave C at 1.618 is even not good enough, maybe to reach the low. However, this is a logarithmic chart. Yeah, this is the worst case scenario, right? To take the low and reach the fib level at 2.618, an extended wave C. So these are the scenarios. First, of course, 1.618 for a normal wave C as an expanding flat, 0.17, and then to be reanalyzed, of course, we see what's gonna happen. However, guys, before we go very, very bearish, we still have one barrier for a bullish scenario. Don't forget this, yeah? So everything can happen in the market. Everything is possible. So these targets are your bullish scenario targets, A, B, and a C first. If you hit here and you reverse with 5 waves impulsive, 3 waves down, continuation, this is your confirmation for a bullish scenario. Okay, if this signal appears anywhere here between those fib levels, means you are still bullish. If we hit the 886, meaning that the scenario start to reduce. The only savior scenario would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 contracting diagonal because you touch the 886. An impulse as 1, 2 cannot happen, yeah, by touching the 886. Now, higher possibility when you touch the 886, higher possibility that you will take the low sooner or later. If you take this low, it doesn't mean that you're going back toward the upside. It means, of course, you're going for lower, meaning this is your next target, right? Next medium target, yeah? And if we move even lower, meaning directly, we're moving to 1.618. Very, very simple. So yeah, this is how we should watch these scenarios right now. On FET first, let's see what's gonna happen in this area. If we retrace or not, rebounds towards the upside. If not, then of course next target is this one. Lower prices, meaning of course 1.618, even lower, meaning the 2.1618, of course. Yeah, to take the low, because as an expanding flat, yeah, you would like to see this low taken. So this is, of course, I mean, this is the last possible scenario, but yeah, it's good to mention it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one.